go.
Oh God, these suck, but they're better than getting something in my eye.
Don't worry, I'm buying for you.
Yeah, no.
There you go. There you go, mister. Yeah, bring the piece that goes on the bottom.
Yeah,
so we can start leveling.
You see this little piece of wood right here? Right
Yeah.
under that's stone. That's...
Okay. Well, get that piece because we got to put some sort of support at the bottom.
Yeah, let's hope it still fits still. Here. There we go.
The level.
Oh, wow.
You have to
Stack them?
and fold them also until they go in there tight. Okay, let's see. Well, there it is. We got the door in. Nicely leveled. Once you have it all aligned and make sure that the door is also on and closed completely. Once the door is on there and you close it, the frame's on with the door closed, make sure you do it with the door closed because that's the only way you're gonna see if there are any gaps. Now, and let's see.
You keep moving the door?
No.
Hold this in place.
Both sides?
Just this side.
Okay. Got it?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
There it is. Let me go outside and close it. See if everything seems. Yep, there it is. Go ahead and open it. All we need is the little moldings around, and the ones inside, and we're good to go.